B.Sc Public Health. So can only be studied in NOUN through direct entry. So that's why it began from 200 level first semester, although there are some 100 level courses you will have to bring forward, and they have been listed here. You can see Math 101, Physics 103, you can see CHM, Chemistry, and you see GSTs. You have to bring them forward, and that's why you have a lot of credit units here. So, and that's why you have about 38 credit units here. So you will have to register the ones you can within this semester, and then carry the next over to the next semester. Carry the remaining ones over to the next semester. It's 28 according to 24 according to standard is allowed per semester. So when you register those 24 units, you leave the rest. The following semester, you add them. If there is not enough space to add them, enough credit units left to add them, you take them up to 300 level and 400 level until you clear them. You will see, according to the course outline, there will be empty or enough space where you add them in future semesters. So here we have other courses we brought in, like NSC, PED courses that were brought in, and here we have the course material fees. 3 units courses are 2,500, 4 units and above 3,000 naira for the course material. We call them course registration. After course registration, you also register for exams. Exam costs 1,000 per course. Add them together, you get this total here. Put all the amounts together, you get your school fees, including the 36,000 naira first school fee, first compulsory fee. From second semester, this compulsory fee reduces to 18,000. This is the updated course outline. That's why you are seeing NSC 203 is 4 units here. Earlier on, in the olden days, it used to be 3 units. But from 2021, I think it became, 2021, when this was restructured, it became 4 unit course. So this is the updated course outline. So we'll go to 200 level second semester. You can see there are only 17 credit units. So 24 minus 17, you have 7 credit units, 7 unused credit units. So you can bring forward any other one left from the previous semester. Some of them, add some of them here and then keep the rest. That's why it's good to make sure you don't have carryovers. And even if you did have carryover, there will still be unused credit units in some other semesters where you can add them and clear them up before you graduate. So this is the requirements here. You clear all of them. All of them are required, and here are the costs. There's a little error here. You can see 3 units 2,000. They are supposed to be 2,525. So 500 by 3 is 1,005. You need to add 1,005 to this total here, making it 40,500. Right? That's the fee for this semester here. Then we go to 300 level first semester. Yeah, that's where things becomes much more serious. Okay, here you have 17 units too, so you can bring any other remaining ones through and add here. You have 7 unused units. Add them here. Then you have a seminar here. It's a project. You don't register it for exams. Okay, then you have a total of 39,500 as your school fee for the semester. Then 300 level second semester. You have GST 202. You may take this GST 202 to first semester, depends, you can switch them up. You have a practicum here. That's your OC, what's your IT. the 10,000 is a registration. You don't register them for exams. So sum them up, you get 51,500 as your school fees for 300 level second semester. Public health 400 level first semester, these are your courses, and your credit unit is 50, so you can add up to 9 more units. There are 9 unused units here. Even if you had carryover, there will be a lot of space for you to add them and write them. So you have a total fee of 37,500. 400 level second semester, these are your courses. You just have 4 courses, 11 units. You have another practicum. And your fee is 38,000. Then 500 level is your final year. You also have a few courses, 16 units, and a lot of units are unused units too. And your project, you can add your project in first semester to 500 level at 15,000, and you don't register it for exams, with a total of 46,000 naira. Okay, so your final semester, 500 level second semester, you have a seminar and internship. Projects, you register them, you don't register them for exams, and then you have one other course. If you had any carryover, this is your last chance to clear them. You add them here, and then your fee is with 18,000 compulsory fee, you'll be paying 26 to 27,000 as your last semester fee. Isn't that simple? However, it's no longer minimum. I'm no longer using the word minimum because it's confusing a lot of people. Students, they keep chatting me. I have reached the minimum. Why am I not a graduate? Minimum does not in any way mean the same thing as total. So that's why I've changed this to total credits required. That's what you should be asking. How many credits am I required of to graduate? Not minimum. The minimum is just like a general requirement for every program. It does not in any way mean that once you reach there, you become a graduate. Even at 300 level, okay, in this case, at 400 level, without writing projects, you must have reached 120. Does it mean without writing projects, you should be given a certificate? There's no shortcut to this. Okay? Thank you. So that's it.